Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing case study. In this case study, or you may call a video, I'm going to discuss regarding enabling dishonest behavior and how we were able to restore ads for one of our client in who got stuck in enabling dishonest behavior. How we worked on their ad landing pages and a frequent communication through the Google team was done for the compliance check. So let's get started on this. So the first thing is try to understand what is enabling dishonest behavior. So this is from the Google, and if you look around in the Google, uh, they say that we value honesty and fairness, so we do not allow the promotion of products and services that are designed to enable dishonest behavior. And to explain what is dishonest behavior, dishonest behavior, they provided you for some examples of enabling dishonest behavior: products and services that help mislead others, create a fake or false documents such as passports, diplomas, selling numbers, credit card numbers that mimic the appearance of national identity card. Everything like this is not allowed. It's called an enabling dishonest behavior. Products and services that enable a user to gain unauthorized access. This is called also enabling dishonest behavior. Products or services that enable a user to track or monitor another person or their activities without their permission, which is not allowed, including spyware, malware, or any other technology. So, violation of this policy will not lead to immediate account suspension, but they will provide you with the strikes. And I have a similar case where the account got their second strike as well. So you may see that the penalty completed and strike was issued on second strike was issued on July. We found too many ads that violated enabling dishonest behavior policy, and your penalty has been served. Strikes will be removed on this over. So you see over here that we had a hard time in order to get it approved. So let's study the client documentation, few communication, and then go from over here as well. I'm going to show you a few of the clients disapproved ads first, and then going further. So this is their ad. You may see that we tried trying to get it approved as well, and we still was favored to approved. Ad was disapproved for enabling dishonest behavior. So for the communication, the client sells services for Instagram and other social media networks, the services which you may I will tell you as well if you by showing you to the website. So we create different ads, different landing pages. So I'm going to show you a landing page, although which is not approved, but I'm going to show you as well just to get an idea on what kind of a landing page they thought they had. They provide Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Spotify, Twitch services, and this was a hard time to get it approved. So we had the multiple communication being done with the Google team regarding approval. We did the changes on the website. We did, and then we come up with another landing page. This was also being able to approved. But I'm just telling you that a lot of work was needed to be done to get it approved, and I'm going to show you a few things as well which can help you. So you may see that this was another time when we got it approved, but after as soon as we got no, this is an approved. But before this approval, you may see over here that we got a strike 2 as well, which is warning 1, side strike 1, strike 2, which I have told you before as well. And this was a serious case, and you may see over here that we did multiple communication with the Google regarding this. Multiple times we had to call them. You may see here that we have taken action. A lot of communication was, and a lot of time Google has rejected us, but we discussed with our case. We discussed regarding the policies because we were complying when no, we were not complying initially, but we made it compliant. Adding the we worked on the content of the ad and content of the website to make it compliant, and then added a lot of pages. We also see the competitors who were running ads similar to this, and then we got it approved. And you may see over here that this is an approval email to one of my staff members. Hi Hassan, thank you for patience. We have good news for you. Our team has reviewed your account, and based on your detailed appeal, we are happy to let you know that your ads disapproval appeal is successful. The successful means you can enjoy the full potential of your ads without any disruptions. They are now actively reaching your target audience, bringing your message to life. Please note that our system could take up to 3 to 4 hours to apply our decision to the ads in the backend. We therefore ask you to kindly wait before checking the ads. How to find CMS over here. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to show you as well over here the ads now, and you may see over here that the ads are do not have any errors, and we got some clicks as well on them. We have currently posted, but I'm just showing you that we got some clicks as well, and they do not have any errors or issues right now. So yeah, this is a successful case study for enabling this honest behavior in Google Ad Disapproval. But apart from this, we also, work with other Google Ad Disapprovals. We also have plans with Google Ads Management, audit services. So in case if you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So I hope you like this case study, and I look forward to working with you. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.